Hello everyone. Today I'm going to guide you how to install the Google ADB driver on your Windows computer. So first of all, go to the description of this video. There you will find the link of this driver. You have to download the driver first, then you have to extract it on your computer. As you can see, I have already downloaded and extracted the driver on my computer. Let's quickly open the folder. Now in the folder you will be able to see the following files. So let's quickly begin with the tutorial. I will be copying the location of this folder by clicking on the address bar. Then right-click and copy. Now right-click on the Start button and select Device Manager. Now select the computer name. Go to Actions. Select Add Legacy Hardware. Now click on the Next button. Select Install the hardware that I manually select from a list. Then click on the Next button. Again Next. Now click on the Have Disk button. Now paste the location that you have copied. Then click on the OK button. Now we are ready to install the driver. Click on the Next button. Now click on the Install this software. Now as you can see, drivers are installed successfully. You don't have to worry about the code 10 issue. All you have to do is just restart your computer and connect your MediaTek device to the computer. And you will be able to use the device. So just click on the Finish button and everything is done. As you can see, the driver is listed in the port area. Now close the Device Manager and everything is done. You can restart your computer. Thank you for watching the video. Have any questions? Let me know in the comment section below. If you liked it, please give us a thumbs up. And do subscribe to our channel.